dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
Alright, my wonderful people, welcome back to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist. As I dey give una back-to-back update and information as it dey hot. So my people, the matter what correct today called give una be say Governor of Fubara, the governor of Rivers State, don't recently criticize a media aid to the Federal Capital Territory in Wike. Another one we go correct give una be say the Rivers State House of Assembly, led by the Speaker Martin Samahule, don't come launch an investigation into the October 7th violent attack that resulted in the burning of several local government secretariats and the loss of life. So my people, before I go bring the mentor, I go like welcome those with the join us on today's wonderful news for the first time. You guys are highly welcome. Kindly proceed to subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all amazing subscribers we don't dey follow us back to back, I welcome you especially to my wonderful channel. Thank you so much for joining. All right, my people, make we dive into the mentoring. Governor Fubara of Rivers State recently criticized the media aid to the Federal Capital Territory in Wike, sparking a war of words over the former governor legacy and ongoing project in Rivers State. My people, Fubara's remark came after the aid of Wike criticized his recent project inauguration in Eche Omuma, accusing Fubara of merely continuing Wike initiative. So my people, the governor of Rivers State, Fubara, did not hold back in his response, my people. So he questioned the credibility and relevance of the aid's opinion. My people, be small while in a report, we be say Vanguard don't come carry. Fubara expressed frustration with the aid use of social media to voice his criticism. So Fubara labeled such behavior as trivial and unproductive. He can challenge the aid of Wike qualification and suitability for his position, suggesting that Wike's aid role was more a product of proximity to Wike than any demonstrated competency. Hey, my people, don't be small buzzwords. The governor of Fubara also took an aim at his alleged involvement in selling dogs, portraying it as a reflection of his lack of meaningful contribution to the society. So he can talk say if they really love Wike aid, that the appointment they gave to one boy the other day. Fubara talk say if this boy will be saying they criticizing projects were good, that why Wike no give him that appointment? My people don't be smart enough. So my people, Fubara can't tell Wike, say me go check himself. Will I say something they wrong with them? Because all the good appointments when they give, he no see any good appointment when Wike give from. So my people, the dispute highlights the tension between Fubara's administration and some elements associated with his predecessor, Wike. While the media aid claimed Fubara's projects were merely continuations of Wike initiative, the governor defended his administration efforts to address pressing need in Rivers State. So he argued that his government is focused on delivering impactful projects that align with the current demand of Rivers State residents. During a recent inauguration of a remote secondary school in Ahoda, Fubara reiterated his commitment to projects that deliver tangible benefits. He emphasized the importance of investing in initiatives that address critical issues such as improving education for the guest child. Governor Fubara framed such projects as essential for fostering societal development and building responsible future citizens. So he also differentiated his administration approach from previous efforts, suggesting that past projects often lack depth and fail to meet the need of the people. So he highlighted his focus on ensuring that every project undertaken by his government has a lasting impact, steering clear of superficial endeavors designed for merely publicity. So come there complete because waiting carry you want can give the people of Rivers State. My people see waiting the media aid of Wike taking head carry for just kukuma de on you. But you don't know say Governor Fubara go defend himself like this. He say if at all say nothing dey wrong with Wike aid, so all the good appointments way Wike they give other people, and the one will be say he never too tey will be say he give one boy good appointment. Say why be say they no give am to am. My people don't be small bars so. So I guess I would like we gonna chook mouth for this matter. Make una tell me what you think. What will be now opinion for this matter in our comment section? Go like here from now. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. The Rivers State House of Assembly, led by Speaker Martin Samawole, has launched an investigation to the October 7 violent attack that resulted in the burning of several local government secretariats and the loss of life. Now, this probe follows the submission of a report by a 7-member Judicial Commission of Inquiry established by Governor Fubara to investigate the mayhem. So now, the violence erupted during the handover process when newly inaugurated local government chairman assumed office, triggering unrest in some areas. So in response to that, the Rivers State Assembly has tasked their committee on public compliance and petitioned to expedite their investigation into the event. Speaker Martin Samawole, citing Section 128 of the 1999 Constitution, emphasized the Assembly authority to conduct such inquiries, so he urged the committee to deliver their report promptly to ensure transparency and accountability. So the committee chairman of Rivers State, Enime George, assured the public that all parties involved would receive fair hearing, and he pledged to present the findings soon. Meanwhile, the political crisis in Rivers State has intensified, with Governor Fubara locked in a power struggle with Martin Samawole, his allies in the assembly, and Federal Capital Territory Minister Wike. So speaking at the inauguration of the remodeled government girls secondary school in Ihoda, Governor Fubara declared that his political opponent days were numbered, expressing confidence in overcoming the challenges they pose. He went ahead to accuse his rival of employing underhanded tactics, including the arrest and detention of the king of Ekpeya Kingdom, who Fubara claimed was targeted for supporting his administration. So he also alleged that his chief of staff, Edison Ehe, was forcefully declared wanted to diminish his camp's influence in the ongoing political tussle. So the governor urged patience and faith in due process, stating that enemy has a time, that this thing cannot last forever, and he can assure everyone with all boldness today that they are gradually coming to an end. During the inauguration ceremony, Fubara highlighted his administration commitment to meaningful development projects. So he criticized the previous administration for neglecting impactful initiatives, contrasting this with his government strategic focus on education and infrastructure. He said that government girls college Ahoda projects initiated by the previous administration, but it was left unfunded, was completed under Fubara's leadership. So he commended the contractor for their dedication and emphasized the importance of educational investment, particularly for the girl child, in building a strong future. Fubara also announced the termination of an internal road project in that area previously awarded to a loyalist of Wike, citing the individual opposition to his administration. So he vowed to re-award the contract to ensure its completion. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next. Bye for now.